Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'll show you how to transfer money from Binance to RedotPay. So let's get started. First open RedotPay app, then click on deposit. Now select USDT. Now click on chain. Now select BSC. Copy the addresses. Now open Binance app. Now click on send. Click on withdraw asset. Select USDT. Now paste your address. Select network. Type the withdrawal amount, how much you want to deposit in RedotPay. Then click on withdraw. Confirm. Type your OTP here. Now as you can see, my withdrawal has been processing successfully. You will see the withdrawal amount in RedotPay within 5 minutes. So guys, if you think this video was helpful, please make sure you subscribe to my channel.